Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Photo app. The next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to click on backup is off. That's going to take you right here. So at the time of making this video, I have about 1000 plus items that is not backup yet. So we can click on here to see all the items such as video, photo, screenshots, just like what you see right here. Now, for you to back up everything right here, what you need to do is to simply click on turn on right here. However, you can decide to back up some of the informations right here, whether video or some pictures. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply scroll down, click and hold down, and select as many as possible. So once you select, what you need to do is to simply click on turn on right here. Once you turn on, the selected picture or video will be back up into your Google Photo. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Photo app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.